In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your GitHub profile information. It's a quick and easy process, and by the time we're done, you'll know how to keep your profile looking professional and up to date. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to the GitHub dashboard. This is your main hub for all things GitHub related, where you can access your repositories, projects, and of course, your profile settings. Once you're there, take a glance at the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon. That's where you're going to want to click. This icon is a small circle that features either your chosen display image or a placeholder if you haven't yet uploaded a picture. Clicking this will drop down a menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, select Your Profile. This will direct you straight to your personal profile page, showcasing all your GitHub activity, repositories, and more. Now, on the left-hand side of your profile page, there's an Edit Profile button. Go ahead and click it. This is your gateway to updating personal information, ensuring everyone sees the most current details about you. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, you'll find a series of fields that can be adjusted to better represent you and your work. Here, you can change your name, add a short bio to let people know a bit about your background or interests, and specify your pronouns, which can help in making your interactions more personal and inclusive. If you're affiliated with a company, feel free to add that as well. Additionally, setting your location can be beneficial, especially if geographical context is important to your collaborations or work. One neat feature on this page is adjusting your local time. It gives others a sense of your time zone, which can be crucial for project collaborations. There's also space for your email, making it easier for those interested to reach out professionally. And don't forget to include any relevant websites or social media accounts. This is a great way to showcase your projects, blog, or any other professional outlets you're proud to share. Once you've made all your changes, you'll see a Save button. Make sure to click it to ensure all the information you've just updated is stored and displayed correctly on your profile. That's it. It's as straightforward as that. Keeping your GitHub profile up to date is a simple yet effective way of maintaining a professional image and ensuring that all collaborators, prospective employers, or fellow developers can see what you've been working on. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful.